Welcome, Minecraft enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of secret bases. Are you ready to build your very own hidden sanctuary? First things first, you need to choose the perfect location for your secret base. Look for remote areas like mountains or forests to keep it well hidden. Once you have your spot, it's time to gather essential materials for construction. You'll need wood, stone, and perhaps some iron for your secret base. Now, let's work on the entrance. Hidden doors and traps can offer the best concealment. Use levers, buttons, or even pistons to create a secretive entry point. Building secure walls is critical. Use different materials and camouflage techniques to blend your base into the environment or hide it from prying eyes. Don't forget about secret storage areas for your items. Create hidden chests or barrels that only you know how to access. For the tech-savvy builders, implementing advanced redstone mechanisms can take your base to the next level. Set up traps, automated doors, and other cool features. Consider exploring underground or underwater options for your secret base. These can provide extra safety and surprise your friends. Finally, add some defenses against enemies and invasions. Use traps, walls, and lookout towers to protect your hidden haven. Congratulations! You've just created your very own secret base in Minecraft. Now go explore and enjoy the fruits of your hard work.